IDA Learning Center, Site Shading and Orientation. To view our main data that relates to site shading and orientation, we click on the relevant link in the General tab. The window which opens now allows us to specify items such as surrounding buildings, trees, or similar. We can also change the orientation of the model which we have previously drawn. To change the orientation of the model, we click onto the compass. Select Properties on the left-hand side of the window and specify a new orientation angle. It's also possible to change the location of the building body. To do this, we select the building body, and on the left-hand side, a property window opens up which allows us to change the origin and orientation. It's also possible to drag the building body to a different location using the mouse, while also holding the Alt key down. If you want to include shading elements into the model, there are two different options, either a shading building object or a horizontal shade object. We're starting off with shading building object. After you've selected it, we can draw the vertices which define the shading building object. On the left-hand side, we can see the vertices and we can also see the height of the object defined through the top and the bottom. A shading building element can be something like a wall, a surrounding building, or a tree. Any number of shading building objects can be included in the model. Shading elements can also be viewed in 3D by clicking onto the 3D tab. In the same way, like with just specified vertical shading elements as the shading building object, we can also specify horizontal shading elements through horizontal shade. However, if a shading element is closely associated with the window, it should be specified as a window object. As a final feature, this interface also allows the import of CAD information to define site-related data. It is, however, important to note that this cut drawing will not be rotated if the orientation of the compass changes. The top part of this CAD drawing will always point towards the north. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video useful. You will find more videos if you go to Help and Process Guides. There is a whole series of videos stored there. Under Help, you will also find our Getting Started guide as a PDF document. Also, never hesitate to contact support or write to our forum for further questions or support. And remember to check out our website. Under Events, there you can find upcoming courses. We frequently host beginners and advanced courses on various topics.